Wildlife Management Board, which is the legal custodian of the Margala Hills National Park, right here inside the ICT, Islamabad Capital Territory. The national park covers about 15% of Islamabad. It was notified in 1980, and here we are in 2021. And all this talk about ecosystem restoration, and I was at the COP. Let me just tell you, as somebody who tries to implement it on the ground, it is extremely, extremely difficult. We have so many issues facing our national park, which is a protected area by law, but we have encroachments, we have forest fires, we have a huge littering issue. We really, and these encroachments are residential, commercial, institutional, just to get people to respect the sanctity of a national park is an uphill task. And here we are in I mean, this is the capital of the country. So, I mean, for me, the Prime Minister has notified or announced 15 national parks. Some are older ones and some are new ones. And this is under the Protected Areas Initiative. And this was done 2 years before the COP. So even before the world came together to recognize, the central role of forests at the COP, the Glasgow Climate Pact that was just recently concluded. So this happened 2 years earlier, so we are ahead of the curve, and I'm very proud of the fact that our government is taking a lead, Pakistan is taking a lead in nature-based solutions, and I think Malik Saab should be here soon and he can tell you more about that. But, like I said, actually implementing it on the ground is a serious, serious challenge. And, but the lessons I've learned is that it's not impossible, and it is a serious challenge, but it can happen, and it can happen very fast.